Have you ever wondered how a simple idea can turn into $1 million business? Sometimes the most successful companies start with a tiny spark, an everyday problem or a creative solution that seems almost too simple. In this video, we'll explore how small ideas, when nurtured and executed well, can grow into massive enterprises. We'll look at real-world examples, the mindset behind innovation, and the steps entrepreneurs take to turn their dreams into reality. Let's dive into the journey of how small ideas become big wins. Journey often begins with noticing a problem in daily life. Many entrepreneurs find inspiration by observing the world around them and asking, what could be better? These small annoyances or gaps in the market are the seeds of innovation. For example, someone might struggle with tangled headphones and decide to invent a simple organizer. By paying attention to everyday frustrations, you can uncover opportunities that others overlook. This is the first step in transforming a small idea into something much bigger. Once a problem is identified, creativity takes center stage. Entrepreneurs brainstorm possible solutions, sometimes alone, sometimes with friends or colleagues. This creative process doesn't require fancy tools, just an open mind and a willingness to experiment. The key is to generate as many ideas as possible, no matter how wild they may seem. Often the simplest solution is the most effective, and it's this spark of creativity that sets successful businesses apart from the rest. Having a great idea is just the beginning. The next step is taking action. This means creating a prototype, testing your concept, and gathering feedback. Many entrepreneurs start small, building a basic version of their product to see if it works. They share it with friends, family, or a small group of users to learn what can be improved. This hands-on approach helps refine the idea and brings it one step closer to becoming a real business. Not every idea works perfectly the first time. In fact, many successful entrepreneurs face setbacks and failures before finding the right solution. What sets them apart is their willingness to learn from mistakes. Each failure is a lesson that helps improve the product or service. By staying persistent and open to change, small ideas can evolve and grow stronger, eventually leading to breakthrough success. Feedback is a crucial part of the journey. Entrepreneurs actively seek opinions from potential customers, mentors, and even critics. Honest feedback helps identify what works and what doesn't, allowing for quick adjustments. This process of listening and adapting ensures that the final product truly meets the needs of the market. It's a cycle of improvement that turns small ideas into products people love. Prototype is a simple, early version of your idea. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just needs to show how your solution works. Building a prototype allows you to test your concept quickly and cheaply. It's a way to turn your idea into something tangible that others can see and use. This step is essential for attracting interest and support from others who can help your business grow. First customers are often friends, family, or people in your community. These early adopters provide valuable feedback and help spread the word about your product. By focusing on a small group, you can make improvements and build a loyal customer base. Satisfied customers become your biggest supporters, helping your business grow through word of mouth and recommendations. Once your idea has proven itself on a small scale, it's time to think bigger. Scaling up means reaching more customers, increasing production, and possibly hiring a team. This stage requires careful planning and resource management. Entrepreneurs look for ways to automate processes, improve efficiency, and expand their reach. With the right strategy, a small idea can quickly grow into a thriving business. Turning a small idea into a big business often requires funding. Entrepreneurs explore different options, such as personal savings, loans, or investments from friends and family. Some may seek out angel investors or venture capitalists who believe in their vision. Crowdfunding platforms are also popular, allowing many people to contribute small amounts. The key is to find the right financial support to fuel growth without losing control of your idea. Strong brand sets your business apart from the competition. It's more than just a logo or a name, it's the story you tell and the values you represent. Entrepreneurs work hard to create a brand that resonates with their target audience. This includes designing a memorable logo, choosing the right colors, and crafting a message that connects with customers. A powerful brand builds trust and loyalty, helping your business stand out. Marketing is how you share your idea with the world. Entrepreneurs use a mix of online and offline strategies to reach potential customers. This might include social media, email campaigns, or local events. The goal is to create buzz and get people talking about your product. Effective marketing helps small ideas gain traction and attract a wider audience, setting the stage for rapid growth. Innovation is at the heart of every successful business. It's about finding new ways to solve problems and deliver value. Entrepreneurs constantly look for ways to improve their products, services, or processes. This spirit of innovation keeps businesses ahead of the competition and opens up new opportunities for growth. Even small changes can have a big impact, turning a simple idea into a game changer. No entrepreneur succeeds alone. Building relationships with other business owners, mentors, and industry experts can open doors to new opportunities. Networking helps entrepreneurs learn from others' experiences, find partners, and access resources that accelerate growth. Strategic partnerships can also help small ideas reach new markets and customers, multiplying their impact. The business world is always evolving. Successful entrepreneurs stay flexible and adapt to new trends, technologies, and customer needs. This might mean updating a product, changing marketing strategies, or exploring new markets. By staying open to change, small ideas can survive challenges and continue to grow, even in uncertain times. Competitors can be a valuable source of insight. By studying what others in your industry are doing, you can learn what works and what doesn't. Entrepreneurs use this knowledge to improve their own products and find ways to stand out. Healthy competition drives innovation and pushes businesses to be their best. As your idea grows, it's important to protect it. This might involve patents, trademarks, or copyrights, depending on your product or service. Legal protection ensures that others can't copy your idea and helps you maintain a competitive edge. Entrepreneurs often consult experts to make sure their intellectual property is safe as their business expands. As your business grows, you'll need help. Building a team of talented, motivated people is essential for scaling up. Entrepreneurs look for team members who share their vision and bring different skills to the table. A strong team can handle more work, solve bigger problems, and drive the business forward together. Successful businesses put their customers first. Entrepreneurs listen to feedback, respond to needs, and strive to deliver the best possible experience. Happy customers are more likely to return and recommend your business to others. By focusing on customer satisfaction, small ideas can build a strong reputation and grow through positive word of mouth. Technology can help small ideas grow faster and reach more people. Entrepreneurs use tools like websites, social media, and e-commerce platforms to connect with customers and streamline operations. Embracing technology makes it easier to scale up, manage resources, and stay competitive in a fast-changing world. Building a successful business takes time and effort. Entrepreneurs face challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. What keeps them going is persistence, the determination to keep trying even when things get tough. Over time, this persistence turns small ideas into big achievements. Every business has a story. Sharing your journey, why you started, the challenges you faced, and the impact you hope to make helps connect with customers on a deeper level. Entrepreneurs use storytelling to inspire trust, build loyalty, and attract support from people who believe in their mission. How do you know if your small idea is working? Entrepreneurs set clear goals and track their progress. This might include sales numbers, customer feedback, or other key metrics. Measuring success helps you see what's working, make improvements, and celebrate milestones along the way. Motivation is the fuel that keeps entrepreneurs moving forward. Whether it's a passion for solving problems, the desire to help others, or the dream of financial freedom, staying motivated is key. Entrepreneurs find inspiration in their vision, their team, and the positive impact they create. Many successful entrepreneurs use their resources to give back to their communities. This might mean supporting local causes, mentoring other business owners, or creating jobs. Giving back not only helps others but also strengthens your brand and builds goodwill. Feedback isn't just for the early stages. Successful businesses continue to listen and adapt as they grow. Entrepreneurs stay open to new ideas, trends, and customer needs, making changes that keep their business relevant and competitive. Every step forward is worth celebrating. Entrepreneurs recognize and reward progress no matter how small. These celebrations keep the team motivated and remind everyone that they're moving in the right direction. Small wins add up to big success over time. The best entrepreneurs are lifelong learners. They read books, attend workshops, and seek advice from others. This commitment to learning helps them stay ahead of the curve and find new ways to grow their business. Curiosity and a willingness to learn are essential for turning small ideas into big successes. As your business grows, it's important to stay true to your original vision and values. Entrepreneurs sometimes face pressure to change direction, but staying focused on your mission helps guide decisions and keeps the business on track. A clear vision inspires your team and attracts customers who share your values. In the end, every million-dollar business starts with a small idea. By spotting problems, taking action, learning from feedback, and staying persistent, entrepreneurs turn simple concepts into thriving companies. The journey isn't always easy, but with creativity, hard work, and a little bit of luck, small ideas can truly make a big impact. So the next time you have a simple idea, remember, it could be the start of something huge.